are you today?
Good morning, teacher. I am fine, thank you, and you?
I'm very good. Okay. Good. Good. Stand. Please. Okay. Let's start our lesson. Wish. Wish. Yes?
Yes.
Yes? Okay? It's a wish song. Okay? I wish you success. Good luck for all. Okay?
Wish luck, happiness, and good luck.
Wish you a good day and a good lesson. I wish you good luck.
Thank you.
I wish you happiness. Thank you. I wish you good day. Thank you. I wish you good way in today's lesson. Thank you. I wish a good mood today.
Thank you. I wish you to be easy.
I wish you good grade.
Choose these t-shirts, please. And here. Well, hurry up. Let's. Students, answer for my question, please. Do you want to be a millionaire? Do you want to be a millionaire? Millionaire var değil mi? Yes. I want to be a millionaire. Okay. If you want to be a millionaire, let's divide it into groups, please. Divide it into groups, please. Dear students, today I want to assess your achievement. At first, what was the learning task? What was the learning task? You need to learn that.
Learn the new word.
Okay, very good. Today we play the game. This game. Kicking the ball to the goal. Okay?
Okay.
Ask some words. Kaşıktan başka bir şey yok. The English for
Presenter.
Presenter.
A person who wants to be successful is ambitious. 5. A person who hasn't got much experience of the world is innocent.
Hairy, thin, curved, and straight.
Okay. Third question. About me. This question about me. If I have 10 rupees, what kind of person am I?
Intelligent.
Intelligent.
Yes.
Very good.
Sunday Dimanche is 600. W تفاصل شامل 30. 3. 3.